Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to uninstall programs and apps in Windows. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first, you just have to go to your start menu and then type add or remove programs. Click open. Here you will see the features, default apps, and your applications here that you have installed or downloaded here on your Windows. In order for you to uninstall programs and apps, just click that specific application or program. You will see the uninstall option. All you have to do is to tap that one and then confirm by tapping uninstall. Wait as it is uninstalling the program or the application. So basically, that's how easy it is. You can now scroll down again and then select another application and program to uninstall. To fully delete this, you can go to your trash bin or recycle bin and then delete this application and program. So the advantages of uninstalling programs and apps: frees up storage space, improves computer performance, removes unwanted or harmful software, and speeds up start time. Also keeps your system organized, prevents software conflicts, and saves internet bandwidth. So basically, that's how easy it is to uninstall programs and apps in Windows. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.